Hey folks, see Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to another special live stream. My God, it has been a really long day. Today started the day with a live stream. Today morning only data patterns, and then I had two shoots back to back today. I was at the office till almost 8. Came back, just was trying to think through what should we discuss in today's live stream. So did some homework for half an hour and started with the live stream. I'm yet to have my dinner though, so I'm not going to do the stream for like 1 hour like we do every single Thursday. Today I might stop at 9:30 because I'm kind of hungry, but then I said I am hungrier to give you more and more knowledge rather than the pet ka hunger to kya, it's there every day, after every few hours, right? So we dinner to hoga, no doubt about that, but after 9:30 today. Okay, so today we will start the stream right away. Today let's do something special because uh, our pro investors live stream went really well. It's been 1 week almost that we did a pro investor special live stream. So today I thought that those who are joining today as pro investor, I'll give them a shout out. So today's theme for our live stream is going to be a special shout out to all those who are going to join as a pro investor today, because just in case those who join today, they are not going to get an access only to whatever videos we have uploaded for pro investors till date, but also the special live stream for pro investors which I did 1 week ago, wherein I have discussed 6 stocks which are there in my portfolio. It was an amazing stream. I started at 9 as usual, and that stream went on till 10:45 almost, रात को 11:15 तक I was doing a live stream, so it was fun. So just to remember that 1 week ago live stream, I'll call out a special shout out to all those who are joining in as pro investor members, right? So Pranav Shaha, RK Savan, and Ashraf, and Ashraf has already joined. Okay, and Aditya Roy. So Aditya, I'm keeping you as a Niyati Savla also, a big welcome to our channel. Okay, chalo. So with that, of course we are going to do. Is there any chance to join again? Asks Ramesh. Ramesh, if you are already a pro investor, how come you can join again? You can upgrade if you want. If you are a student. Dhanraj says I joined last week. Dhanraj, shout out to you also. No worries. Okay. Shri Nidhi says good evening, ma'am. Acha, kya baat hai, kya baat hai. So 1 minute. Arey yaar, her chat just 1 minute. Can I? Yes. Good evening, ma'am. Today I ordered Sierra diary. Waiting eagerly, ma'am. Thanks for the coupon on request. So those who did not attend my morning live stream, today I had shown my CARR gadget diary. And the best part is I have not named it as the CARR gadget diary. You all with love have named this as a CARR gadget diary. Why? It's a diary which has this pen drive. Okay, so not only does it have a cool hidden pen drive, but important, it has a power bank with USB, C port charger, iPhone charger, pen, and very important, all those pages which are like removable pages. Okay, so you need not buy only in the month of January, no date printed, so you can put in your date, whatever you want. So just in case if you have missed out, because I could see there were many people who wanted to buy the diary and were not able to buy it. I'm not sure why, but I guess he's also mentioning the same. They wanted to, but were unable to. Please provide me the link. Okay, that is why I have pinned the link in the description box. Okay, so just in case if you want to enroll right now, I've pinned the link in the description box. Not in 1 minute, I guess in the comment section also you should see it as a pinned one, and that's where you can enroll for the diary. And if you want, in the morning also I gave this CARR gadget diary as a coupon code. Okay, so 1 minute, chat. So CARR gadget diary is the coupon code that you can use for some additional discount. Okay, chalo. So with that, let us start. Oof, important points, super important points to be discussed. markets are going. Tejo says, but we are unable to buy from the link. ऐसे होना नहीं चाहिए. Also, I will share the. You just have to go to finance.store. Okay. 1 minute. I'll also paste the link here also. I'll also quickly show that to you. 1 minute. And then we can move on with our routine discussion, right? That's the link for you. Finance.store, right? Chalo. So with that, let us move on and try and discuss some important points. How did you get discount on pro membership? No discount on pro memberships. That's up only with YouTube. Okay, I don't have any special control on that. Okay, chalo. So everyone pay attention. Something which is really important, which is bothering me since a long time. And what is that? Everyone, please pay attention. I'm sharing my screen. Have a look at this FII DII trading activity. If you see, FII is here rukne ka naam hi nahi le rahe. If I'm tracking the FII purchase sale in the cash segment, just have a look at this. They are madly selling the shares. You can see here minus 2000. Of course, all these are rupees in crores. Huh? So 2,700 crores minus. Minus is net sale. Gross purchase, gross sale. This is net purchase or sale. This is minus. Starting 1st December. Wait. Starting 1st December. It's all red. Very unpleasant data. In fact, months till date, FIIs have sold shares of almost 24,600 crores. That is worrisome. If they don't stop selling in the next few days, I see that markets could test the lower levels again. Okay, now so this is the base point where it all starts. Okay, FIIs are not ready to stop selling. So if you see, I'm talking about, see, I showed you right now, they have started selling majorly since what? 1st of December, right? So you can see here, this is 26th November. Since then, it has been plus minus agreed. But if you have a look at this was the top that we had made, right? This was the top on what? 19th of October. This is almost 18,600 level, correct? 18,604 level this was. Now just have a look at this. This is the top, then this is the bottom, again a top, again a bottom, again a top, and again a bottom. But what is the important point here? I'm not sure if I can do this. I'm not sure whether this is correct or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, khatam. No, this is something else. Okay, let it be. Can you try and guess what sort of formation are we seeing here? If you see, this is the high, followed by this high, followed by this high. If you see, this was this was the low, first low, second low. What kind of formation is this? Can anyone tell me in the comment section? I'm waiting for this. For those who are saying screen is blur, it means that your internet connection is not that good. Ankit said it. Absolutely. This is lower top, lower bottom. People are saying something like a declining triangle. Okay, could be also that. But this is generally classified as a lower high, lower low. Okay, if it is a lower high, lower low, is that a good sign? No, it's not a good sign. We are in a clear cut downtrend right now. So I hope you are able to understand this. Okay, so this is the high, first high, second high, third high. So if I want to draw a trend line, trying to just connect the dots, so that's where you can see all these high. I hope those who are not clear with this, first high came down, second high up till here came down, third high, and the first high is highest, second high is lower than that, third high is lower than that. Are you getting me? Now if I'm talking about connecting the lows, have a look at this. This was the first low, after that second low, and now if we go down. Okay, even if you were to connect it from here, if I were to even pull that back, this doesn't make a lot of sense though, but still, this is clear cut downward looking channel, and I believe that if this continues, who is वो कौन है जो इस डाउन ट्रेंड के लिए जिम्मेदार है, who is madly selling even right now. I mean, of course, from here it was not only the FIIs who were responsible. Okay, they have madly started selling post 1st Jan, but 1st December, sorry. But right now, if you are able to understand, we are moving in a channel. Okay, so this channel, those who can trade in the sideways trend, they are very, very happy right now, because theoretically right now it's like so easy: buy at this point, sell at this point, buy at this point, sell at this point, and make profits. Okay, it's not that easy every time, right? It's hard to keep patience in such markets. But if things continue in this fashion, then what could be the lower level that we could see? So this was the low, and it could go further, right? So this is the level again I'm seeing is roughly around 16,500 level. Have we discussed this level earlier? See, this is our normal Nifty chart, our 20th March 2020 se leke we are trying to pull this long trend line. For those who have been following my live streams without fail, see this long line that we are talking about, 24th March 2020, since that we are carrying this trend line. Okay, but this 16,500 mark we have not yet drawn since a long time. If you're talking about an immediate support, okay, so this is which can happen. So if it falls from here, and if it were not to take any support, then I feel that the next big support I'm talking about, big support, that might be around 16,500 levels. Okay, in the recent past, which was the lowest point that we have tested, that is around 16,911 on a closing basis. So we may say, okay, this can also be 1.16,900 level. Okay, and one more important point, if you're seeing here, which we had talked about in the previous Thursday live stream, that was 17,254 mark. We had discussed this level in the previous Thursday. So 17,254 was our support line. Today it has closed at 17,248. Of course, 10 points here and there, I can't speak much on that. So currently I can say it is at a very big support level right now. 2 days it is testing that, madly it is testing it, and right now, to be honest, there are no big triggers which are coming up in the Indian market, at least. So it's a wait and watch scenario. For those who believe that I have limited capital, I'm telling you, if I had limited capital, I would not have jumped into buying a lot of stocks. Okay, I would have held on to my capital, and I would have waited for some more time, and then taken a decision of buying further stocks or not, right? So that is how I would have traded the market had I got limited capital, right? Yes, someone is saying trend is friend. Agreed, absolutely. So right now, if the trend is a downward trend, makes no sense opening up long positions, is what I believe. Okay, as I mentioned, we are currently at a big crucial support. So I think waiting and watching makes more sense rather than going ahead with long big positions. Okay, so Pranav says exactly, that's why I'm waiting now. Davari. Okay, so that was it about the Nifty key levels that I wanted to discuss, right? I hope you have understood the entire discussion that we talked about. No reversal signs seen as of now. Abhishek is laughing. Abhishek is saying, ha 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 ha. 2,000 viewers and 300 likes. असंच असतं की नाही आपलं अभिषेक? Normal. 2,000 viewers, 300 likes, 10-15%. Normal. So just in case, if you liked the entire analysis that I did right now for Nifty, we talked about the downward trend. We did talk about important support levels. We did talk about how a lower high, lower low formation is seen, right? if you want, you can just smash that like button. And with that, at least from 300, we have gone to 500 likes. So good. All right. Chalo. Quickly welcoming other Pro Investor members who have joined: Niyati, then Student Forever, then Vivek, and G. Sahadevan, Jishnu, and Biswaroop Chatterjee, and Yash Paliwal. Welcome to Pro Investor memberships. Okay, chalo, quickly taking up some super chats. Arun asks, ma'am, your view on HIL and Himadri's specialty. HIL, not bad. Himadri specialty, small cap, not performing well since a long time. Would want to stay away from it. Prithviraj Shirke says, promoter sold stake in CAMS. Yes, Prithviraj, there was a bulk deal, and that is the reason why for quite a long time CAMS has not been performing. I mean, it so happened that I did a live stream stating that I feel that, the top 10 reasons I'd done technical analysis. Okay. And sometimes, market says, top 10 reasons you are buying. I will give you only one reason of huge selling. There's a big deal, a block deal or bull deal, either or of two, and the stock has been crazily falling since then. I remember when I did the stream, the stock was somewhere around 3,000 levels, and since then, the stock has been continuously falling. So I would want everyone to have a look at what are the key levels for that stock right now. Okay, so I'm again sharing my screen because there might be many people who are like, Rachana, what should we do now? We had thought of investing in CAMS when you did the live stream, when you uploaded the video. We have invested a small chunk. Could it be a wise idea to put one more chunk at this level or not? So I'll quickly show you what are the Fibonacci levels. Okay, we are at S3 right now. I'm just zooming this in. This is the S3 level, 2700. Ideally there, generally whatever I refer to Fibonacci and I refer to pivot levels many times, and in comparatively rarer scenarios, we see a stock going well below S3 levels. Okay, very few times we see good stocks wherein even S3 is not honored. Okay, support 3 is like, it's as good as the final support available, and then you can see a further fall as well if S3 is broken. I have showed you my screen right now. If you want, I can again zoom in further. This is the S3. Okay, this is the support 3, 2706. I am going to wait for tomorrow's closing, how CAMS closes tomorrow. If it closes below the S3 level, I'm not going to average, but if it closes above the S3 level, because even I have bought my one chunk in CAMS when it was somewhere around 3,000. Second chunk, I might put in if the stock shows good support at this S3 level. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Everyone, of course, can take their own decision after doing their own analysis, right? Moving ahead, Durga Prasad ji says, good evening, Guruji. I am holding 57 shares of Black Box AGC Net from last 4 months. Please advise. AGC Net, काय आता? AGC Net. काही सापडत नाही रे मला. Black Box. Oh, it's. Are you referring to a US based company? That's what I can see. Nasdaq. If you're referring to the same one, the stock is near its support level, but to be really honest, I have zero idea on what this stock is about. Okay, so sorry for that. Okay. Next one is by Deepak Pandey, Loris Labs, Aarti Drugs, analysis view 1 year. Both are good. Loris Labs, Aarti Drugs, fundamentally both are good. Madhavan, Tata Chemicals and HDFC Management. Given a choice, see, Tata Chemicals is always a stock which is, filled with news, EV related news and all that. Okay, HDFC MC, fundamentally, I believe that it is a good one. So, out of two, if you were to ask me, I would go ahead with HDFC MC. Nilesh asks, fundamental long-term fundamental view on IX and latent view. IX, latent view, both are good. In fact, latent view has been correcting for quite some time now. Try to keep that on your radar. Try to see if you can see some reversal in it, and if you can, if you can see a nice reversal, then maybe you can surely think about, again, of course, based on your own analysis, if you were to invest. Okay. Oracle says, Mrs. Ranade, can you tell us a little bit on Black Rose Industry shares? Planning to buy, fundamentals look good. I saw black box, Black Rose. I'm wearing a black shirt also. Black Rose. Black Rose. Hi. Distribution service wholesale distributor. This stock is apparently listed only on BSE, is what I see. Right now I see that there is just an MACD crossover in this stock. RSI is around 51 levels, flattish since a long time. Stock is at the pivot level. You can follow this stock again for 2-3 days, but doesn't give a clear cut green signal for going ahead into the stock. Okay, that's what it shows on a daily time frame. On a weekly time frame also, weekly time frame looks a little bit stronger though. And what about a monthly time frame? Monthly time frame also it is going stronger. So from a longer term perspective on candlesticks, it is showing better picture rather than daily. Okay, so again I'm repeating, I have absolutely no idea on what Black Rose Industries does. I've not checked it fundamentally, but technically, as I mentioned, medium term and long term, fair enough. All right, Biswaroop, I welcome you. What to do with IRFC? काय करायचंय Biswaroop? You don't want IRFC? Give it to me. Gift stocks. I have made a separate video on how to gift stocks. Okay, right. It is a fantastic stock fundamentally. I know it's super slow moving, but from a longer term perspective, it is not a bad stock at all. Okay, nice dividends also it gives. So one could stick onto it, right? Next one, views on ITC, PFC, Trident entry levels, please. ITC, though, investor meet yesterday. So many people were of the opinion that some nice news might come up, some bonus news, something like that. No news of that sort. People are saying that yes, there may be chances that there might be a demerger. The various business segments might get demerged into different companies. If that happens, then ITC can see a re-rating and then can see a further upside, right? But as of now, again, going slow. PFC, not bad. Again, kind of slow moving. Trident, not really following. Averages to whatever I recall though. Yash, welcome to Pro Investor Memberships. Welcome to Hitesh as well. Amit asks, got Go Colors in IPO. Should I hold for long term? Go Colors also, whatever fundamentals I saw were fair enough. But I believe that because it's a comparatively newer listing, you should check what are the quarterly updates. You will get the December updates in 1 or 2 months. So keep an eye. Just don't blindly keep on holding on to it. Okay. Right. So that is what my thought process would be for Go Colors. Siddhant, welcome to Pro Investor Memberships. Views on NY FANG Index. It is a good one. It is like an index of all the top US companies. You can say blue chip. So index which tracks all the nice blue chip companies. So I think, if you are a person who believes that yes, I want to stay invested in large caps in blue chip companies, then it's a good one, no doubt about that. Okay. Mohit asks your view on M&M. If you ask me, fundamentally Mahindra and Mahindra is strong. Of course, because of the recent overall problematic scenario in the automobile space. It was not doing well, but I think it has seen a comparatively sharp recovery. It is let me just pull up the chart, but I guess it might be near the 52-week high. 52-week high somewhere around. It's almost roughly 100 rupees away from the 52-week high, has seen a sharp recovery. If it crosses the 52-week high level above the 970 mark, then it can be like breaking through the roof category as well. Okay, but fundamentally very strong, Mohit, M&M. The Indian consumer, KEI Industries, Earth Industries, short term question mark. Short term I never track, but both are good fundamentally. Okay. Kalyan, no question asked. People, please stop with the super chats. I might not be able to take any further super chats. Okay, everyone, thank you for the super chats. Everyone, please stop giving any other super chats. Just last 3 to 5 minutes of the stream. Okay, and I have loads of questions to be, which are unanswered yet. Okay, thanks a lot for understanding. Naveen says, hello Rachana, your view on Whirlpool and L&T. At what price point should we add more to our portfolio? Whirlpool though has been correcting like anything. I let me just check. Whirlpool, I'm going to the daily chart. It has broken the support 2 level as well, and support 3 is at 1751. So it has recently broken its S2. I wouldn't have bought at this level. Okay, for Whirlpool. Larsen and Toubro, this showing good recovery right now. It is above the pivot point, and wow, looks like a good candidate right now as well. So given a choice, L&D for sure. Views on Aarti Industries, Happiest Minds, both are good. Aarti Industries, I have a strong conviction. Symbol BBOX. Acha, BBOX. सांगितलं ना black box. I talked about black box. Acha, this one, black box. Is it from the SME platform or what? I can just see data for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can see data only for 10 trading sessions, and that too, it's like a continuous downfall. Maybe from the SME platform, uh, would not have gone into such company maybe. जयंत पाटील सेज मॅम आता बघेल तिकडे गॅस पाईपलाईन चालू आहे कोल्हापूर कराड हायवेच्या समांतर तसेच सिटी जवळून हे कोणत्या कंपनीचे काम असेल प्लीज एक्सप्लेन अबाउट इट Jayant, if you're talking about pipelines being laid and you can see a lot of pipelines being laid around your city, generally you should see the board which is displayed there. For example, it could be MNGL or it could be MGL. If it is Mahanagar Gas Limited, it is listed. If it is MNGL, it's not listed. Okay, so try to see which one it is out of the two. Okay, thank you Gaurav for the hey you super sticker. Madhukar, Mohan, Kalyan, and Yeshwan, thank you for the super chats, but no questions asked. Raju Gupta says, ma'am, stock of the month. Arey Raju, I discussed 6 stock of the months, and you are asking for 1 stock of the month. Please go to the community tab section and check out the live stream. Sudarshan asks, your views on Decentraland and Metaverse, BAT token. I'm not sure about the BAT token, but Decentraland and Metaverse are like mind-blowing concepts. Very difficult to digest, but blows off my mind once I start reading and understanding about it. If it is the future, wow, I can't just imagine how things will be. Would we be? Where are we going? That metaverse, just if you want, I can surely do a small part in the live stream in our coming few sessions on our channel. But whatever I've read about metaverse, it's पागल करने वाली चीज है. So in metaverse, then talking about Decentraland, it's something which if it happens in the future in the truest spirit, it can be like maddening, So yeah. Last 1 or 2 questions which I've already gotten a super chat. Student from Hyderabad, thanks a lot. Views on Cosmo KPIT. Let me just quickly check. KPIT. Okay. Huh. Nothing special. It's going in a sideways trend right now. Uh, Neither gives a clear cut buy nor a clear cut sell signal. Sideways trend, Karthik. Madhukar, thank you for the super chat. No questions asked. Deepak says, Deepak, after a long time, I guess you are in the live stream. Huh? Good time to enter in HDFC Life long. Check out support and candles on chart. You will understand. I hope you remember who suggested Delta Corp, but you missed. I know that is why. See, before I even read the entire super chat, I said you are here after a long time, huh, Deepak? All right, chalo. So I'll quickly check HDFC Life as well. HDFC Life Insurance. Ooh, that has also corrected quite a bit. It has already formed a lower high. Will be interesting to see if it is able to sustain this level of 600. Oh, it is at that level right now. If you want, I'll share my screen so that you understand what I'm trying to tell you. Share screen. Yeah. So just have a look at this, Deepak. This was the high, okay, recent high, or even if you check from this high, low, high, low, high, low, high, and this is an interesting one. Okay, so this was the recent low, and this is where we are right now. If this is broken, there could be a further downside. Okay, so be careful. Don't jump into any decision. Is what I believe. Okay, chalo. Sankalp. Views on SBI cards, Hudson Agro. Hudson Agro not checked of late. SBI cards, good one, of course, from a long term perspective. Views on IRCTC and Exide and RHI. RHI, Exide not track much. IRCTC, I'm obviously bullish on it. Not don't I don't care how it might perform in the shorter run, but in the longer term, in for IRCTC. Tamil share says great effort. Vanakkam. Vanakkam? No, sorry. Nandri. Nandri means thank you if I'm not mistaken. Na? Tamil share. Nandri. Nallarka is good, I guess. Romba Nallarka. Very good. See, 2-3 words. All right. Chalo. Views on Birla Soft for long term. Again, a good IT stock. Fundamentally, a strong stock again. Okay. Chalo, last question that I'm taking is Axi Yeps views on Borosil Renewables and Borosil. Let me check it technically as well. Borosil and Borosil Renewables. Ew, it was in a sideways trend for quite some time. Uh, what has happened to Borosil Renewables? I need to see if there is some news. It has been continuously going up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight sessions. Not sure if there is some news in this stock or not. Even on the weekly chart, it is going madly up. Monthly chart also, yes. Wow, for straight 3 months, 3 big green candles. Kya baat hai? It did form something like a rounding bottom formation, and since then it has crazily gone up. I really need to check this out. Borosil Renewables. If I find any news on Borosil Renewables, I'll surely try to post it on our Telegram channel. Okay. Uh, and if it is really worth reading, maybe a short read, I will post it on the community tab as well. Thank you. I had not checked this, by the way. Good. And also Borosil Limited, I'll quickly check up. Is there some news in this entire space? What? Even Borosil Limited is going up for 2 straight days back to back. Weekly chart. This is still, I mean, comparatively a smaller time frame. Wow, today's ending is on something which is really interesting. Aki Yeps. Borosil Renewables, Borosil. I will surely try and track it, and I will try and give my an answer on either Telegram or on our YouTube community tab post, right? Darshan, thank you for the super chat. No questions asked. Ashwin says, joined late. Will you make a video on Supriya Life Sciences? By the way, I'm doing a live stream almost daily in the morning, and I give my quick views on will I apply. I will also be doing a video on Supriya Life Sciences as well. Should we add Sigachi at present levels? I don't think so. Okay. Abhijit says, ma'am, meeting in Bengaluru. I'm waiting. Even I'm waiting. Okay, chalo. So I guess that is it from my side. By the way, next Thursday there'll be no live stream. I would be on a holiday. When I come back, I'll share you where I had gone and how was the experience. I'm eagerly waiting for this holiday. And so next Thursday we'll have no live stream. Advait says, I think Reliance has invested in Borosil Renewables. I'm not sure on that. Okay, let me just check. And if I see some nice news, I will surely post it on the community tab. Waiting for your life gives the feeling of waiting in front of the temple. See, God, Sundari Krishna, don't. KPIT Tech, did I miss out KPIT Tech? Of course, it's a fundamentally good stock, no doubt about it. Chalo, with that stream, with that, I guess I'm done. Guru Prasad says, happy vacations, ma'am. Thank you. All right. So that's it from my side. Those who did not understand few points from the technical analysis that I discussed today, I think you should surely think about enrolling for my technical analysis course. In that, I've talked about absolutely in detail how to do a technical analysis, and that works on Indian stock markets, on US stock markets, on any asset class, right? Be it commodities or stocks or whatever, right? So for that, I have, for those who know already about the website, good enough. These are the 3 levels: basics of stock market, mutual fund, personal financial management, and beginners level course. You have an intermediate level course when you have FA and TA, that's fundamental analysis and technical analysis. And this is the course that I was talking about, technical analysis. So if you have not yet enrolled for the course, highly recommended one for those who want to learn more and more about technical analysis. And if you want, for a long time, I'm giving my coupon code for those who are interested to enroll in the technical analysis course. The coupon code is CARRYT. All right, so that's it from my side. Ramesh says, I've already taken all your courses. Kya baat hai, Ramesh? Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.